Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to download Binance on Android in 2026. For that, the first thing that you must ensure is that you're connected either to a Wi-Fi or mobile data network. If you're connected to a Wi-Fi network, a Wi-Fi icon will appear on your status bar. If you're connected to a mobile data network, a 4G or 5G icon should appear next to your network status. The other thing that you must ensure is that you're running at least Android 5.0 or higher. Head over to Settings, hit About Phone, tap on Software Information, and check your Android version. This phone is running Android 16, so we're good to go. After that, you can head back over to your home screen, head to your app drawer, in the search bar type in Play Store, and then in the search bar simply look for Binance. Hit Binance, and then hit Install right next to Binance. Make sure that you're logged into your Google account before you try to download any app from the Google Play Store. If not, then you'll be prompted to log into your Google account before you try and download an app. After you've downloaded Binance, you can simply log in and start trading. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.